front of me is Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by launching Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Then tap on this switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!